Section G, problem 1. In this section, we will focus more on mirror, linear pattern, and circular pattern. So the first problem is a chess group. Let's start. First, we will create this boundary and revolve it around the central axis. Then we can make this cut and circular pattern. So let's start with front plane. Create a center line. And let's start with the base. Let's first give these dimensions. 14, this is 1.5. 10.5. Radius is 15. This is also 15. We have to delete the tangent mate from here. Then we can drag this point. Now let's again start sketching from here. Conclude the sketch. Extend the center line above. This would be tangent with this line. And also we have to delete this tangent from here. And these 2 points we have to make vertical. We have to align them like this. Let's define all the remaining dimensions. This overall height is 46. And this distance is 11. This angle is 10 degrees. This height is 8. And this distance is 2. Now what is remaining? Let's check this radius 6. Can drag this out, or let's just let it be. Then this distance is 11. This is 1.5. Drag this out. One thing that is not given in the question, for that you have to make a tangent line from this arc make it vertical and define this distance from this line as 13. Now this is 6. This distance from this line is 8, and with that sketch is now completely constrained. We can go to revolve boss base, select the axes and OK. This is complete. Now we can go to the front plane. You can activate the section view, create a center line, and make one side of the contour that you need to cut. Add the dimensions. This is 5. The length is 4. And this angle would be 12. Now select everything, Control A and mirror. Now we can go to extruded cut, cut through all. OK. We can close the section view now. Now select this cut and go to circular pattern from here. The direction, we can select the cylinder and number of cuts is 6. OK. This is done, and we can edit the material. The material is plastics ABS. Let's check the mass. 17.67. 17.67. So this is correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.